Hello and welcome to Educare Live. Let's get started and look into our daily quiz. Let's look into the first question. What is the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India? So we know for Lok Sabha candidate means lower house candidate the minimum age required is 25. For Rajya Sabha candidate the minimum age required is 30. So for Sarpanch village sarpanch the minimum age required 21, and for vice president and president the minimum age required is 35. So for the prime minister the minimum age requirement is what? 25. As the Lok Sabha candidate the minimum qualification age and minimum eligibility age is 25, so that we can say the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India is none other than 25 age. So the answer is what? Option 2. So moving to the next question. Which of the following is incorrect about Council of Ministers? So the options are: Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. When the Lok Sabha passes a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers, the ministers have to resign, including those ministers who are from the Rajya Sabha. If any minister disagrees with a cabinet decision and is not prepared to defend them, he must resign. There is legal responsibility of a minister in India. So all the three are correct. Okay, except for, okay, there is a legal responsibility of a minister is not a correct statement. So here the question is asking for incorrect statement. So the answer is what? 4. So moving to the next question. Which dispute relating to the election of the Prime Minister or the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is to be determined only by the whom? Only by the answer is what? High Court. Okay. So moving to the next question. All union ministers are appointed by, options are: Chief Justice of Supreme Court, the President, the Vice President, and Prime Minister. So the correct answer is the President. Okay. The President appoint PM also and also Union Minister. Okay. So moving to the next question. To whom the Prime Minister of India submit his or her resignation? Okay. The Prime Minister submit his or her resignation to the President. Okay. Moving to the next question. Which among the following Prime Ministers of India was earlier the Chief Minister of a state and then become the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India? Okay. So the options are Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, Charan Singh, Morarji Desai. So here the answer is Morarji Desai, because in the year of 1952 to 56 he was the Chief Minister of Bombay state. At the time this is not divided, so we can say this is Bombay state. Okay. So that as this year is the very earlier year, so that we can say he is the first non-Congress Prime Minister who was working as a Chief Minister and later he became a Prime Minister at the age of 1977. Okay. So the answer is what? Morarji Desai. So moving to the next question. A person who is not the member of any house of the parliament can become prime minister or minister for the time period of what? The options are 3 month, 5 month, 4 month, 6 month. So the answer is 6 month. Recently this case arrived and the article is 164. By through the article we can say there may be a CM, chief minister, and the article of 74 can say the council of minister. The prime minister is headed by council of minister. Okay, and 75 says what? 75 says there may be a prime minister. Okay, there is a prime minister, not maybe, there is a prime minister. Okay, so the article 164 says and 75 says what? If if a person is not elected from the member of Lok Sabha or member of Rajya Sabha, and he also be a, means he, if he is not elected, he was not elected to the member of Lok Sabha or member of Rajya Sabha, then also he can be a prime minister candidate, and he have to elected within the 6 months from any house. Okay, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Okay, so the answer is 6 months. So moving to the next question. Prime Minister is the leader of the options are majority party in Rajya Sabha, none of these, majority party in Parliament, majority party in Lok Sabha. The question asking the Prime Minister is the leader of the, means if the word is leader comes, then also we can say that the majority party in Lok Sabha. If the leader word is not coming under this question, then we can say Prime Minister either the member of Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Okay, Rajya Sabha member also may be a Prime Minister. We know from the Manmohan Singh government. So the answer is what? Prime Minister is the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha. So moving to the next question. All union ministers are appointed by, again the question is repeated, so the answer is the president. So moving to the next question. Which of the following amendment act provide central council of minister including chief minister not to exceed 15% of the total? So which amendment says this? The amendment is 91st amendment and the year is 2003. So 92nd constitutional amendment says what? About the 4 more languages are introduced in 8th schedule. 8th schedule, we know the 8th schedule is our language, for language. So 4 more languages added to this, and we have total language 22 are coming under our 8th schedule. So 4 languages are what? One is your Bodo, one is your Dogri, one is your Santhali, and one is your Maithili. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you and all the very best.